guys, welcome to my channel. This is Kinkdiva and you can call me Fresh. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepare my natural hair shampoo slash conditioner. So this natural hair shampoo slash conditioner is in one mix. So let's get right into this video. Materials here. I'm gonna start off with this. This is my mixing bowl, and this is a 5-speed hand mixer. I use this to mix all of my hair products. So we're going to be starting off with warm water in whatever quantity that you want. So you're going to need to turn this in. So you guys have to turn the water into the bowl. This is my natural black soap. I use the one made by Osun. So it looks something like this. So you just break it into pieces and let it fall into your bowl. So you can just use your fingers and just like squish it, and it falls into bits and pieces, and you can just let it fall into the bowl of water. Very easy peasy. This natural hair shampoo slash conditioner regimen has been able to help me to control the rate at which my hair breaks. So my hair doesn't break as often as it does anymore. The quantity of hair I lose in a month is really minimal. I can't even believe it. I've tried this for 3 months now, non-stop, and it's been working for me. So you guys can see, you guys cannot see. So it looks like a milk mix, and yeah, basically. So after doing that, the next thing you want to do is to put in your natural hair oils. I like working with a bunch of them. This is shea butter. I'm just going to take a chunk of it and drop it into that bowl. After that, I'm going to go in with this hair cream here. This is a styling hair cream. It's made from horse oil. So since it's made from horse oil, I love to have a mix of horse oil in my shampoo slash conditioner. So I'm also going to take a chunk of it and put in here. This natural hair shampoo slash conditioner is very easy to make, and it can last you at least 2 months. So next I'm going to add my natural hair serum. This is Hair Now. So I'm just going to put a few pumps into the bowl. So after that, I'm then going to go in with another natural hair oil, and this is one of my favorites. This is black castor oil, mango and lime. Yeah, it's made from Jamaica, and it's like an aromatherapy kind. So it's very concentrated and everything. It has a lot of ingredients. By the way, excuse the noise in the background. My little cousins are watching one movie like that. I don't know what the name of the movie is. They're making so much noise. Hold on and make them stop. Woo! Okay guys, so I am back. Yeah, I know I'm sitting on the floor. So where was I? I was here talking to you guys about this lovely oil, and it has worked for me like magic. It gives my hair a very lovely smell. The smell is just beautiful. Yeah, it's lavender Jamaican black castor oil with an infusion of mango and lime, and it's an aromatherapy kind. So you can get this in any store of your choice. So I'm just turning this into the bowl. I can put as much quantity as I want, but this is fine. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to go in with is my essential oil, tea tree essential oil. This oil is amazing. It also a therapeutic grade, and it's very concentrated. I think it's much more concentrated than the other one I showed you. So I'm going to just put a few drops of this into my mixture. Let's go with like 10 drops. Yes. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to add is the normal black Jamaican castor oil, but it's been infused with chebe powder. So it's called cacao oil at this state. So although it's in this bottle, this is not the original bottle of the oil, but since I was going to infuse it with chebe powder, I had to do it in another container, so that's why I'm using this one. And I'm turning the whole thing in here, the whole thing. So what really makes this shampoo flourish for you is the amount of natural oils you add to it, because that's what really makes your hair conditioned. And then I think the last oil I'm using today would be this guy. I know we all know who this guy is. This is our regular, when I say regular, I mean you can find this anywhere, even along the road. This is our regular non-cholesterol olive oil. It's a tropical olive oil, and you can use it for cooking, you can use it for your hair, for your face, for whatever. So I use it for my hair, and we can add a little bit of this guy. So that's like all the oils in the world that I put in here. And we're going to mix using our hand mixer. We're going to mix this whole thing together. So this is what my hand mixer looks like. If you've not seen the video where I showed you guys how to apply this mixture to your hair, I'm going to leave a card above this video. It's going to pop up somewhere here, like this or like this. Somehow it's just going to be on top of here. And I'm also going to leave the link in the description so that you can go and check it out. So if you don't know how to apply this whole thing I'm teaching you how to make right now on your hair, you would learn how to do it from that video. I would basically just leave it to melt, but I think I'm in a rush. I have to get somewhere. So guys, I'm going to be mixing this solution. This is what it looks like. I know it looks really yucky, like it looks messy and stuff, but I'm just going to mix it with the hand mixer to aid the mixture to melt faster, after which I'm going to pour it into my wash bottle and we're good to go. So this is basically how to make your black soap hair shampoo / conditioner. Very simple, very easy. If you like this video, if you enjoyed what you've seen so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends, and leave a comment below if you'd like me to try some other new things. Okay, bye for now, you guys.